Tired of seeing your online shopping savings disappear thanks to crazy shipping costs from Cnfans? Let's fix that. I'm going to show you how to slash those shipping fees and keep more money in your pocket. First, let's talk about timing. Don't rush to ship immediately after buying. Consolidate your purchases. Wait until you've bought multiple items to ship them all together in one package. This is a huge money saver. Next, compare shipping providers. Cnfans usually offers several options like DHL, EMS, and more. The prices can vary wildly, so take a minute to check them all. Look beyond just the price too. Consider delivery time and reliability. Now for the secret weapon, package size. Smaller is cheaper. See if you can ask your Cnfans seller to remove unnecessary packaging or fold items more compactly. Every inch counts. Keep an eye out for promotions. Cnfans and shipping companies often have deals or discount codes. Check their websites or sign up for their newsletters to be the first to know. A few minutes of searching could save you a bundle. By consolidating your purchases, comparing shipping options, optimizing package dimensions, and hunting for those deals, you will dramatically lower your Cnfans shipping costs. Happy shopping, and even happier saving.